welcome back to my channel, guys. What's up? So today I'm here with Afsisterwig again. Listen, this is my second time with them and I'm so excited because the first wig was so bomb. If you're not keeping up, then what you're doing, what are you doing? The previous wig I got from this company was so nice. So today I'm here with them again. So as you can see, as I open the box, I see the hair. This is what is in the box apart from the hair. We have an extra elastic band. Always come in handy, so I always store these. I have a scrunchie, which I'm happy I start getting these little scrunchies in my packages because Lord knows they're so easy to get lost. So yeah, and then lastly I have a wig cap. So that's for everything that's inside the box. So as I said, I love the quality from this company so far, but today I feel like they must switch up the game like hard. Let me tell you why. You see this wig, it's not just a fake scalp wig. All right, this is a 370 lace wig, a 370 lace wig, guys. So basically, what is a 370 lace wig? So basically, this is like the combination. Okay, so you know with 360 wigs, right? You'd usually have like a 4.5-inch parting, and then you would have like the regular 360 portion, which it goes all around the hair. The wig line or the wig hairline, the perimeter of the wig then. Separate on a path from a 360 wig, you have a 13x6 parting lace wig, right? But that never goes into, you never get that into a 360 wig then, if I'm making sense, if you guys understand what I mean. It basically combines a 13x6 lace front wig and a 360 wig, so it's a combination. So basically that's what that is, okay? And as I said, it also, there's a fake scalp. So this is fake scalp plus extra diamond lace. So I'm not gonna lie, Afsisterwigs, them always come up with them lace. The last wig was beautiful with the lace, and I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty nice too. It comes with the extra delicate diamond net to protect the fake scalp cap, and it's harmless to your natural hair, which is also breathable and more comfortable. Okay, so just to kind of like explain that and break that down to you, I love the fake scalp wigs, and they say this is a diamond lace. So we gonna see how this melts in the skin today, honey. And I really do love the texture. I wanna know that I'm a curly hair girl already. This is like really curly hair, so this is gonna be pretty nice, looking very summer ready already. So like, we're gonna jump into this, put this to the test, see how we love it and all that jazz. So let's go. I'm basically just gonna go in and start applying this. I'm so excited. The only thing I wish is that the extra lace portion was a little bit more, because I like when it's long enough where I can be able to pull it, but I mean, that's the least. So I'm just gonna go in and apply it side to side, ear to ear. So I'm gonna take my section clip.
Left a star glowing in your eyes when I'm not aware. You left a scar. I fall into your lies all again. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Let me feel it again. Let me feel it. Fall into your
That's not bad so far. Look at the legs. So this part, as you can see, it's a little casty, but I'm not gonna fix that in a few. That's because I kept on touching the area. So you know, when you're working with got to be, if you keep on touching the area and stuff, it can look casty, but that will be fixed right here. Melted in so nicely. The lace is definitely like undetectable, so scalp like, no product. So I didn't have to do anything. I didn't tint this any further, nothing like that. Looking good. So you guys know the vibes before I do anything else, because I feel like the ultimate thing I want to do with this wig today is put it up in a ponytail, you know. So yeah, so you guys know the little hack I do. I just did a little triangle because of course we will need more graduation. Just don't want to over pluck, you know. So I take it one step at a time and go through the areas.
Left a star glowing in your eyes when I'm not aware. You left a scar. I fall into your lies all again. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Let me be there again. Let me feel you. Fall into you.
Afsisterwig. I don't know, the quality is just always so lit. It looks so good at the scalp portion. So as you can see, I'm just tying my elastic band around that because we need this to melt right in. No matter how it don't look melted already, we need the maximum meltdowns. Tight and curly. That's really nice. It's been a while since I've, you know, installed a tight curly hair like this, so I really love that.
Left a star glowing in your eyes when I'm not aware. You left a scar. I fall into your lies all again. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Let me be there again. Let me feel you. Fall into you. I found the rain dripping down your eyes when I'm not around. I found myself, but I fall into your lies all again. Where'd you go?
So I'm all done. I added my little natural beat, and this is what we got. The hairline looks so natural, and as you can see, I felt like leaving it down. I really love the vibes that it's giving with me leaving it down. Nice, luscious, curly, juicy ends, and it looks really good. Like, I really love the way it comes off. I catch it up. It's kind of like a messy. It's kind of like messy vibes, you know. Honestly, the lace is very undetectable. As you guys can see, I put it to the test. and you can see for yourself, I literally didn't do any baby hairs right here. I didn't comb down any at all, and it melted in so effortlessly. I definitely feel like this lace is a win, and I'm all for a good fake scalp. All for a good fake scalp. Like, it's lit. The texture of the hair is really, really nice. The only thing I'd say with this like tight curly texture is you'd want to ensure that you detangle it every day because it's tighter. So of course, if you do not detangle it like every day when you wear it, it will get so entangled, and nobody don't want them deep entanglement there. Like, you know, that's the only thing. Like, you need to pay attention to it on a daily basis if you plan to wear for a prolonged period, to ensure that, you know, it's not tangled because it's tightly curled hair. So that's the only thing I'd say, because when it is like completely like tangled, then that will increase shedding. I mean, it's curly hair, every hair sheds, but curly hair, if you really pay attention to it and it go tangle up, then it will shed right out. You do not want that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if it was informative, go ahead and give it a thumb up. I'm going to drop all the specifications to this wig if you're interested in purchasing it down below in the description box, and you can go ahead and do so. Get yourself this wig. And I mean, I put it up in a ponytail because guess what, the time is really hot. I'm in Jamaica and it's really, really, really hot. It's, trust me, the summer burned right down. It was the most convenient style to do right now, and I mean, come on, you guys have seen me let down the curly wigs a million and one times. I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just one big up on yourself. Bye.